Hey everyone, Ken Brown from CCIM here, and welcome to another one of our My Account how-to videos. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to optimize your account to be found on Find a CCIM. First, navigate to ccim.com and log in the top right-hand corner. Once you're logged into your account, you can hit on My Account to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, click Change on the right side of the screen. Using the nickname field, you can add in alternate names that you're addressed by. Let's go ahead and look at a few examples where you may use the nickname. Someone named Richard might go by the name Ricky, but they wouldn't be found on Find a CCIM unless their name is saved as Ricky. By adding Ricky to the nickname field, they'd be searchable by that nickname. Another example would be Timothy Blair entering Tim in order for people to search him via Tim Blair or Timothy Blair on Find a CCIM. As long as he's got Tim on his account as a nickname, he'll be able to be found with both names. Lastly, let's take a look at a user like Carl Langino. Carl is known by many as Boudreaux, but was not previously searchable under that name. With the nickname field, this is now possible. In the top right hand corner, you can see that I searched Boudreaux, and we've got our one result of Carl Langino. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our video on optimizing your account for Find a CCIM. Be on the lookout for more My Account how-to videos from CCIM in the future.